Hello, welcome to the brand new episode of Real Estate Real Insights by Swati Prokon. Today is a special one as we're going to meet Ahmedabad's first interior stylist. Her name is Sania Tadha, and before I talk anything about her, I want you to hear from the horse's mouth. So, Sania, welcome.
Thank you so much, Shraddha, for these warm and kind words.
To begin with, I have to appreciate and commend your work. This is beautiful. It's fantastic.
Thank you.
So for all our viewers, we are sitting here at Swati Senor. This place is styled by Sania. We'll definitely take you through the place. And she's done this place and along with this, multiple other homes. She's Ahmedabad's first interior stylist, and before this profession, at least in Ahmedabad, it didn't exist. And even in other cities like Bombay and Delhi, it was maybe on a very small scale, am I right?
Yeah.
Just for probably home style magazines and stuff.
Yes. For magazines, it was existing, and few of the people were like doing outside the magazines as well. So for Ahmedabad, it was very new concept when I started this thing. Yeah.
Tell us about your journey. आपने सोचा कैसे कि let me be a stylist?
As long as I remember, when I started my career as I cannot say even a career. I can start my passion and hobby just as a photographer. So basically, if you talk about my like formal education, I'm a chemical engineer, IIT graduate. So I was doing photography just as a passion. So during that, there was a roller coaster life for me. Like I get into like I have to style my own setups when I have to do the photography.
Yes.
Yeah, so I was doing food styling and product styling at that time, and I was doing that photography. Slowly and gradually, my mentor figured out that I have something more in me apart from the photography. So one day, he just asked me, why don't you do a 100 setup task? And I did that 100
ये
setup
क्या होता है
task.
100 setup task?
Like you just do 100 setups, like a food product, whatever you love. You do the photography. He was just trying to figure it out. What am I good at? So
Okay.
he gave me a task of 100 setup to do.
It can
in
be
a chance.
food,
anything,
anything, but 100
Yeah.
setups.
100
And a
setups.
short span of time, something like
No,
that?
nothing like
No,
that.
okay.
You take your call and like you can start your journey accordingly. So he just gave me a 100 setup task and I finished that 100 setup. After that, he showed my work to some people and some top-notch photographer commented that she's a good stylist.
Acha.
Yeah.
Rather than photography,
Yeah, everyone commented that, and my mentor told she's a photographer. So the comment came as like she's a good stylist,
Achha.
and my mentor has like that eye to like catch things from people.
okay.
So he's like to have that kind of mentor is also a blessing.
Yes, to find a right mentor is a blessing,
Yes,
totally.
absolutely. So one day he made me sit and he's like, if you'll do this in interior, so his wife is an interior architectural photographer
This is all in Ahmedabad?
in Ahmedabad.
Okay.
So one day he asked me just why don't you accompany her, and she was working in Bombay.
Okay.
So she know there is a stylist, something like a profession exists. So she asked, can you just come with me and do this pillows arrangement kar do and bed arrange kar do and all that. I was like, okay, theek hai. I just went that way, and after doing 2-3 projects, she asked me, and even my mentor, they both made me sit and they asked me, why don't you take this as a profession? And I was
Acha.
like, I want to do the photography. I don't know how this profession works and what
Yes.
is the scope for this.
Yes,
And
photography was a profession. This was
Yes.
something.
this was something very new to me at that time, and they made me sit and they told, if you'll take this as a profession, because you even don't know what you have in your mind and what you are good at.
Yes.
So this is something purely, it's a God gifted thing. I can say that I have a good sense of color palettes, textures, composition, everything. Like even my formal education helps me out to understand this more. When I joined him, I was a mother of 5-month-old child. So I was never thinking of coming to this as like a profession, but yeah, I was planning to go back to my old profession, my formal education. But slowly and gradually, when I went with this interior shoots, I really enjoyed that. So I tried with food, I tried with like fashion and the product photography. And when I tried this interior styling, this is something like it clicked me. I figured out that it's my happy place.
Ah.
And I love doing that because my formal education was all about designing. So I was serving as a senior design engineer in my field while I was working. So design is something always fascinating me. So here also I figured out like it's all about design. It's all about
Yeah, absolutely. And when you said this is a happy place, मतलब वो अंदर से आपको आवाज आई. Sania, a very important one. Majority of the people, they know what is interior designing and what is interior styling. How would you explain it to a layman?
Yeah. So in simple words, when I talk about the formal definition of it, so one is designers do these spaces for you, and we create the aesthetic elements for you.
Interior designer.
Interior designer is like all about creating a beautiful spaces for you, and stylists are creating that space in aesthetically form. It connects with aesthetically.
अच्छा, तो नॉर्मल आदमी को तो लगेगा कि वो इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग भी इंटीरियर डिजाइनर भी कर ही देगा ना एस्थेटिकली.
So I always give one example to my clients. I'll tell you that example. So जब भी कोई client होता है, layman होता है, तो when they ask, madam, what is the difference between like interior designer and stylist? I always tell them a example of Sabyasachi. So Sabyasachi is a designer. He comes with like such beautiful designs of the lehenga. So client went with a bride to the architects and interiors, and they are making the lehengas for them.
Okay.
Another thing is like they're accessorizing as well with beautiful jewelries like furniture and beds and all the panelings and beautiful things. Now, just imagine when Sabyasachi lehenga, if some actors are wearing and they are not putting up a makeup, how does that look? And once they are putting a makeup, how does that look?
Got it.
So I'm someone who puts the makeup in the final touch-ups. That is aesthetically very beautiful. So this is how I explain to my all the clients.
Bang on. Imagine like if हम सब बैठे होते with the same clothes, jewelry and everything, but without makeup.
Yeah.
Lovely.
So that's how I explain people, and it's easy for me to imagine. कि आप इसको इस तरह से imagine करो, then you'll realize there is a difference between stylist and the designer.
Yes.
So my job starts from where interior designer का job end होता है, and वहाँ से I decorate with like aesthetically उसको connect करते हैं हम लोग designs के साथ.
You know, Sania, when I was thinking about this profession, the first question that came to my mind was, what is the relation between you and the interior designer? How do you collaborate? Does it get a little difficult at times, or?
At this point, if I talk, it's not. Like people are aware about like interior stylist field. But yes, when I talk about like a 7.5 year back journey, when I entered into this field, it was really difficult for me to like explain them like what changes we are doing.
Yeah.
So there was no before after at that time. So I have to pitch them like I can do this, I can do this. So it started that way. Like पहले हम लोग फोटो शूट करते थे, so उसमें से I've created a different beautiful space. हम लोग चीज़ें रेंटल पे लाते थे, and we were doing that kind of practice at that point. Slowly and gradually, like 4 years back, I've realized this practice is wrong. While we are like taking few things जो availability basis है वही ला के वही setup कर रहे हैं. So that is not a correct practice. So I realized कि spend तो उतना ही कर रहे हैं जितना generally कर रहे हैं वो लोग.
लेकिन रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहा है.
रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहा है क्योंकि आपको चाहिए जो चीज़ उसकी जगह पे जो अवेलेबल है आप उसी में से चीज़ें उठा.
राइट. जो डिजाइनर ये करता है. सो आपका काम लेकिन बिल्कुल हैंड इन हैंड विद द डिजाइनर होगा, राइट?
से नॉट डिजाइनर्स. सो डिजाइनर्स के जो अंडर टीम होती है उनके जो लोग काम करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट्स पे, दे डू दैट.
अच्छा.
बिकॉज इंटीरियर डिजाइनर्स के तो विजन होते ही हैं, दे वांट टू डू इट लाइक द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ इट. बट द थिंग इज लाइक उनके अंडर में जो टीम होती है, दे आर पुटिंग देयर पर्सनल चॉइसेस व्हाइल सिलेक्टिंग द प्रॉप्स. दे आर सिलेक्टिंग व्हाटएवर इज अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन या तो इन द मार्केट. But I do a reverse job. I select things. मुझे ये टेबल के लिए ये चीज़ चाहिए, तो I search for that. I don't directly go to any store and pick up and try to adjust it at the size.
अच्छा.
So that's the difference. Like while I work and when someone works.
Right.
Yeah.
So imagine when you enter a space, when you look at it for the first time, how does the thought process work?
I would say, Shraddha, for me, it's totally a God gift.
Okay.
Second thing,
take us through your how does your mind work? Would be lovely.
I'll tell you that. First of all, it's a God gift. Second thing is like my formal education helps me out a lot because I come from engineering background, so I understand layouts very well.
हाँ, agree.
Yeah. So when I enter the space, like it's not like a finishing stage time I enter. I enter in some of the project I enter quite before.
Okay.
Like where floorings are happening, either 3Ds are locked or electrics are happening. So I'll get a better time and long span for workout. Now when I enter, I realize according to the color, palette, design, the furniture they are gonna put, accordingly I'll try searching things. I need this kind of look, whether it is contemporary or a modern or antique look or like Indian touch or whatever the Japanese Scandinavian theme. So accordingly, I pick up the props for that process.
And you all meet the owners, मतलब जो भी घर पे रहने वाले families होती हैं, आप उन्हें पहले मिलते हैं. Do you try to understand their taste? What kind of people are they? What are they looking for?
So here I would like to say that I deal into commercials, I deal into offices, houses, personal houses. Directly I deal with clients as well, and with interiors and architects I work. Most of the cases, interiors and architects are involved.
हाँ, that was my question.
So if they are involved, of course, like I have to keep things like according to their design. Like my props and decor should not overpower their design. It should matches the design, it should melt in the designs. So that's how we work usually. But yes, when you talk about the end client, like where directly clients are hiring me, at that point we sit with them, we try to understand their likes and dislikes, even the functionality things as well. Like if it's they are having a kids, so it has to be a kids friendly style.
Yes.
Otherwise I cannot put a lot of crystals and glass in this.
Right.
Yeah.
So people mainly who approach you, those are the designers and the architects.
Yes.
Got it. And you know, Sania, there are definitely we can have a lot of creativity, but there are some classic themes that we've had for years, like it can be rustic or it can be minimal and multiple things. So how do you now think that let me get some new thought process, or let me go with the typical classic vibe?
So Shraddha, in that I cannot put my personal taste. Like if I have to style any house, I have to match their designs, aesthetics. I have to match with their theme. So accordingly, that only I can stylize the house. Otherwise, if I talk about my personal taste, I'm at same time I'm minimalist.
What is your personal taste?
Personal taste is all about like a very minimal Scandinavian Japandi theme
Achha.
and extremely maximalism as well. So either
Like a Muji store.
Yeah. Also, I can be a very maximalism. I love to use antique stuff. I love to use raw, organic, and ancient pieces from different types, different places, and different materials.
Minimalist look तो मेरे दिमाग में आ रहा है. Maximalist look जरा बताइए. How do I visualize?
So maximalism is like a lot of sculptures, a lot of good artworks, figurines, and a lot of coffee table books, and like a lot of color pops. Like particularly, I'd love to use ruby, emerald, and sapphire.
Yeah, I would love to know more about that. Huh? I'm personally interested in that. You know, just to, this is like a personal, I'm very curious about this one. At times, it happens, you know, when you go to some homes, things are beautiful. It's luxurious. They've spent a lot of money. It seems that they've done tastefully, but still there is something amiss. There is, I don't know, there is some lack of character. ऐसा क्यों होता है?
Because the houses are not accessorized. First of all, like when you are doing Italian marble or Italian furniture or something, so you have to justify that cost by putting a one statement piece. Instead of putting 10 pieces, I prefer to put one statement piece at a point, which justify your cost of your marble or your furniture or whatever the money you have spent on the houses. So generally, जो लोग रहते हैं घर में वो directly कोई store पे जाते हैं. So the light condition, the ambience, the design is like totally different of the store. So वहाँ से जो भी आप देखेंगे, everything looks appealing and aesthetic to you.
Yes.
Not necessarily whatever look good at the store will look good at your place.
Yes.
So we do a reverse work. Like हम जहाँ पे जो चीज़ रखनी है, I search for that places. चाहे
हाँ.
वो डेकोर है या वो वेडिंग्स है या वो रग्स है. सो इवन आई कनेक्ट रग का डिज़ाइन विद द इंटीरियर के डिज़ाइन, आर्किटेक्ट्स के डिज़ाइन.
You know, Sania, when we think about interior styling, मतलब interior designer is still थोड़ा luxury for some people.
Yeah.
Interior styling तो बड़ा ही fancy लगता है. So, for our viewers, what kind of budget they should set aside if they want to hire people like you?
I would say there is no budget for this sector.
हाँ.
But अगर आपको कुछ करना है, so I would say at least 10% of your जो इंटीरियर का कॉस्ट है, टू जस्टिफाई योर डिज़ाइंस, योर लाइक जो भी आपने स्पेंड किया है ऑन योर प्रोजेक्ट, उसको जस्टिफाई करने के लिए 10% शुड बी मिनिमम थिंग, एंड देयर इज नो लिमिट फॉर द मैक्सिमम.
Absolutely. At times it happens that you go to a home and of course it's done very well, but still the finer elements are missing. Finer things like crockery, linen, decor. So I'm sure you play a major role in this area.
I would say here, like interior designers hire me to finish that finishing stage of the houses, where sometimes they add rugs in my part, artwork in my part, and linens I do, all the decor accessories I do. So I do major part of like the final aesthetic touch to the house. After the interiors job is done, my job starts.
Yes. And आपको तो सारे brands के बारे में पता होगा. Whatever comes in this city, I think you are the first person to know about the brands. Or
it's my job to keep eye on all the brands.
Yes.
Like if I talk about like if I'm buying from India, I have to keep eye on all the brands, what is coming in, whether it is like a modern touch or Indian touch. And we do go to warehouses as well, जहाँ पे कबाड़ में सामान पड़ता है. And वहाँ से we find out the aesthetic and the beautiful ancient stuffs from as well. Apart from that, अगर हम लोग outside India से buy करते हैं तो we do purchase according to जब furniture वगैरह जब selections चल रहे होते तब we do the selections as well.
Right. And the brands अगर हो भी नहीं रहा हो तो आगे ज़रूर होगा that when they are planning to launch in Ahmedabad, probably they'll definitely let you know that we are launching here. So you keep them in mind for all your clients.
Correct. So I don't even shop from Ahmedabad. I shop across the India.
Across India. You travel and
Yes.
you...
I do travel as well as like I'm in collaboration with many brands. I'm also like in touch with many brands. So if I'm sitting here and if I have to buy things from a Kerala or a Kochi or from Punjab or anywhere, so I have that contact that I can get the stuff in Ahmedabad.
Right. Tell me your styling experience for a restaurant versus home versus office.
So basically it depends on the theme, what we are doing. Like we are doing offices or sample houses or the end consumer houses. Offices जब करते हैं तो वो ऐसे होने चाहिए कि बिना बोले पता चले कि किसका ऑफिस है. So I keep that thing in mind. इंटीरियर का डिज़ाइन थीम तो रखते ही हैं. अगर लॉयर का ऑफिस है तो इट शुड लुक लाइक लॉयर्स ऑफिस, आर्किटेक्ट्स ऑफिस शुड लुक लाइक आर्किटेक्ट्स ऑफिस. जब हम वो डिज़ाइन एलिमेंट्स डालते हैं,
थोड़ा बताइए क्या if we can visualize certain things.
आर्किटेक्ट्स का ऑफिस होगा तो वी ट्राई टू पुट लाइक 3D मॉडल्स डालेंगे या समथिंग लाइक उनके एलिमेंट्स जो होते हैं, दे हैव लाइक देयर ओन टूल्स, something like those kind of elements we put it. Interior designs है तो we put the mood boards, we put the swatches, we put the colors. छोटे से furnitures होते हैं, वैसी चीज़ें रख के we do the interior designers के and architects के houses.
Very nice. Lawyers में क्या कर सकते हैं?
Lawyers में
See, I'm learning from you.
lawyers के अंदर we put जैसे constitution की चीज़ें डाल सकते हैं.
Right.
Then अगर judge का office है तो उन लोग का hammer डाल सकते हैं. सत्यमेव जयते वाले चीज़ें डाल सकते हैं. सो इस तरह से लाइक वी डू डिफरेंट ऑफिसेस अकॉर्डिंग टू द एस्थेटिक्स डिज़ाइन, दोनों को कंबाइन करके वी टेल अ स्टोरी विदाउट राइटिंग अ सिंगल वर्ड विजुअली. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट सैम्पल हाउसेस होते हैं तो इट शुड आई अपीलिंग टू द पीपल हु आर विजिटिंग द हाउसेस. तो उसका जो पूरा एस्थेटिक होता है वो डिफरेंट होता है जो जनरली लोग रहते हैं उनके घरों से.
अच्छा, सैम्पल हाउस डिज़ाइन करने से पहले आपको क्या आइडिया दी जाती है कि थीम क्या दी जाती है?
सो थीम में मुझे एक्चुअली 3Ds आ जाते हैं कि ये हमारे 3D हैं. अगर वो कंस्ट्रक्शन स्टेज पे है तो अगर वो फिनिशिंग स्टेज पे है तो आई कैन डायरेक्टली गो टू द प्लेसेस एंड आई कैन सी द फिनिश स्टेज. दोनों में ही डिफरेंस रहता है. अगर मुझे अर्लियर वो लोग इन्वॉल्व करते हैं तो मेरे लिए टाइम जोन रहता है कि आई कैन क्रिएट समथिंग कस्टमाइज फॉर ईच एंड एवरी कॉर्नर. लाइक एंड आई पर्टिकुलरली लव डूइंग कस्टमाइजेशन जो मार्केट में अवेलेबल नहीं है. वी ट्राई टू डू दोज काइंड ऑफ स्टफ इंस्टेड ऑफ गेटिंग लाइक अवेलेबल थिंग्स. So that's how we do the sample houses.
और लोगों के घर
में it depends again same हो जाता है कि कौन से स्टेज पे आप मुझे हायर कर रहे हो. लाइक
और मुझे लगता है सानिया रेस्टोरेंट्स के वक्त आपको कम टाइम मिलता होगा बिकॉज रेस्टोरेंट का रेंट शुरू हो जाता है. इट्स commercial place, so थोड़ा सा people are right there sitting on the head.
नहीं श्रद्धा, I'll say that काफ़ी सारे इंटीरियर आर्किटेक्चरल प्रोजेक्ट्स में भी ऐसा होता है कि 4 दिन पहले दे कॉल के हमारा हैंड ओवर है 4 दिन के बाद तो उसको स्टाइल करना है, उसको देना है. बट ऐसे केसेस में पॉसिबल होता है तो हम करते हैं. अदरवाइज वी ऑलवेज टेल देम कि जितना अर्ली स्टेज पर आप हायर करोगे हम ज़्यादा बेटर स्टाइलिंग और बेटर ऑप्शंस आपको दे पाएंगे. अदरवाइज 4 दिन पहले के अंदर तो जो अवेलेबल टू द मार्केट है वही उठाओ वही डालो. दैट इज अगेन अ कॉम्प्रोमाइज इन माई लैंग्वेज व्हिच आई डोंट लाइक टू डू दैट.
Agree, you're a creative person at the end of the day.
Yeah.
And if I want to know about the timeline, I'm sure it depends on project to project. Usually कितना टाइम लगता है maybe मुझे एक रेस्टोरेंट का बताइए और एक 4 BHK घर है उसका बताइए कि कितना टाइम लगता है.
सो आई टॉक अबाउट स्वाति का अपार्टमेंट. जब मैंने स्वाति का फर्स्ट अपार्टमेंट किया था दैट वाज अ वेरी क्विक हायर फ्रॉम इंटीरियर साइड एंड फ्रॉम द डेवलपर साइड. सो इन 4.5 hours finished the decor part.
4.5 hours?
Yes.
कैसे किया?
It was like they give me this much budget you have and these are the areas for the decor you have to do it and that's it. That was the brief and they put a lot of trust on me, interior as well and the developer as well, and they didn't question me at all.
This is dangerous. Now you've spoken that in front of the camera. अब आपको घंटों वाला टाइम मिलेगा.
Then you have to give me endless budget as well.
Yeah.
The way Swati gave me.
हाँ. Then you travel on a helicopter in the city and
no,
otherwise.
I finished in the Ahmedabad only उस टाइम पे. But later on जब हमने स्वाति सनौर किया था तब हमने मुंबई से, दिल्ली से और काफ़ी चीज़ें कुछ ऑनलाइन भी की थी और काफ़ी कुछ अहमदाबाद से भी थोड़ा बहुत किया. काफ़ी चीज़ें we got it like outside India से.
We'll show you अगर possible हो तो हम दिखाएंगे viewers को. सानिया ये प्रोफेशन इन अ वे नया है, ठीक है, लोगों का भी इसके बारे में ज़्यादा पता नहीं है. What kind of misconceptions या because of lack of awareness ऐसी क्या चीज़ें आप फेस करते हैं?
मिसकंसेप्शन सबसे पहले ये होता है, लोग हमसे ये पूछते हैं जब डिज़ाइनर है तो फिर आपकी ज़रूरत क्या है. सो वी वर्क ऑन एस्थेटिक्स. डिज़ाइनर्स वर्क ऑन डिज़ाइनिंग द होल स्पेस फॉर यू. ऑफ कोर्स वो ये भी करते बट आवर आई इज़ ऑलवेज ऑन डिफरेंट चीज़ें जितनी भी मार्केट में आ रही है और पर्टिकुलर फॉर द साइड टेबल या सेंटर टेबल या ऑल द डेकोर. इफ यू आस्क मी द बाथरूम एक्सेसरी आई हैव n number of bathroom accessories to offer. Like if you want a golden pump चाहिए या silver pump चाहिए, क्या क्वालिटी चाहिए, फ्रॉम रेंज स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 1000 rupees to 10,000. So we pay attention to a lot of small fine details about each and every element.
आर्किटेक्ट का पहले काम होता है, फिर उसके बाद में इंटीरियर डिजाइनर होता है और लास्ट में अगेन एक्सप्लेन किया जाए तो वो डेकोर इज योर्स.
Yes.
योर बेबी.
We call it like a finishing stage or final touch-ups to the sides.
Sana, what are the challenges that you see in this area?
Shraddha, there are multiple challenges. So मेरा सबसे पहला challenge as a stylist is because our field is completely new to India basis पे. So हम लोग बहुत ही कम स्टाइलिस्ट है अक्रॉस द इंडिया और पर्टिकुलरली बहुत ही कम स्टाइलिस्ट है हु वर्क एज अ डेकोरेटर एज वेल. सो आई एम अ इंटीरियर स्टाइलिस्ट एज वेल एज आई एम अ डेकोरेटर. दोनों चीज़ में फ़र्क इतना आता है कि जब हम लोग डेकोरेट करते हैं, जब जगह हम फिनिश करते हैं, सो लोगों को ये लगता है ये स्टोर में गए जाके चीज़ें बाय करें. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. इफ़ आई एम गोइंग टू सम ऑफ लाइक एंटिक चीज़ें बाय करनी है, देयर आर मैनी वेयर हाउसेज, वेदर वी टॉक अबाउट अहमदाबाद है, जोधपुर है, राजस्थान में है, कोची में. सो वी गो टू वेयर हाउसेज, वी स्पेंड होल डे ओवर देयर, चाहे गर्मी है या ठंडी है. और हम जो होली में बाहर निकलते हैं ना, इट्स लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ हीट, लॉट ऑफ पर्सपिरेशंस एंड एवरीथिंग, और उसमें से जो 4 चीज़ें पूरे दिन में निकलती है, दैट मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ सेटिस्फैक्शन टू मी. बट वो लोगों को पता नहीं है. लाइक वी स्पेंड लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू सर्च वन थिंग. उनको ये लगता है कि एक चीज़ उठा ली इंटरनेट से और दे दिया. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. वी स्पेंड आवर्स एंड आवर्स टू सर्च फ्यू थिंग्स एंड देन वी सेट इट अप योर हाउसेस.
थॉट प्रोसेस जो इसके पीछे गया है ना, उसका एहसास नहीं होता है. ऐसा लगता है प्रॉब्ली ये तो हम खुद भी उठा सकते थे.
करेक्ट
है ना?
यस करेक्ट
राइट. आज हम अभी यहाँ बैठे हैं. दिस इज स्वाति सेनोर. उसके कुछ एक्सपीरियंसेस बताइए जब आप ये प्लेस को स्टाइल कर रहे थे.
सो मुझे जब हायर किया गया था तब मेरे पास जब 3Ds आए थे, सर ने मुझे ब्रीफ दिया था. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इंटीरियर. सो सर ने मुझे ब्रीफ दिया था कि ये जो लुक है इसका इस तरह का लुक है एंड वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ लुक. सो उनके जो रग्स के सिलेक्शन थे, उनके जो आर्ट वर्क के सिलेक्शन थे, उस पे से मैंने सारे कलर्स पिकअप करके पूरा एक बेड सेटअप किया. उसके साथ साथ वही कलर को पिक करके साइड टेबल्स पे जितने आप डेकोर्स देख रहे हैं, सो अकॉर्डिंगली व्हेन यू वॉक थ्रू द होल हाउसेस यू कैन कनेक्ट द थीम विद द थीम्स.
Yes.
Yeah.
We're going to show that to you.
Yeah.
And lastly, I wanted to ask that how do you see this industry growing and expanding in the future? Maybe using technology and more awareness by people.
I would say more awareness is needed because I'm still educating. It's been 7.5 years, but I'm still educating people that why you need an interior stylist, and it's very surprising at this stage. I still have to show them the before after of my work, like what changes I made to the sites. That is something very challenging to me because I have to make them visualize. जो चीज़ बनी ही नहीं है, before they hire me, I have to make them visualize that how your house gonna look, and to चीज़ें हैं उसको declutter करके clutter करना है, या I have to add new things. So the visualization is missing in layman.
Right.
इंटीरियर्स और आर्किटेक्ट्स को दिखाने के लिए बहुत ईजी हो जाता है बिकॉज आई एम कमिंग फ्रॉम द सेम फील्ड, तो उनको मैं ओरली बता सकती हूँ. बट इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल लाइक 3D इन आवर फील्ड कि हम 3D आपके लिए क्रिएट करके डेकोर दिखा सकते हैं. दैट्स नॉट पॉसिबल इन आवर फील्ड.
सो लेकिन आपको लगता है कि इसका धीरे धीरे काफ़ी लोगों को पता चल रहा है एंड पीपल आर वेरी ओपन टू hire a stylist for their homes. ऐसा लग रहा है?
Yes. Gradually people are getting like awareness आ रही है, known हो रहे हैं, and after 3-4 years I guess people will get to know about this thing.
And before this we were talking कि कैसे पूरा कभी-कभी उन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा चेंज नहीं करना होता है, बट कुछ फंक्शन हो रहा होता है, शादी हो रही होती है, पार्टी हो रही होती है, so people just hire you for कि चलिए अभी इसका मेकअप कर दीजिए.
Of course, yes. I did many projects जहाँ पे बेटे की शादी है तो घर का renovation चाहिए, और just like it's been 5 years, so we want to renovate, redo the houses. So those houses also I do where photo shoots are not happening, but I cater those kind of projects as well.
Photo shoots are not happening as in?
जहाँ पे इंटीरियर आर्किटेक्ट्स जो होते हैं फोटो शूट के टाइम पे दे हायर मी एज वेल, फिनिशिंग स्टेज ऑल्सो दे हायर मी, एंड जस्ट लाइक दैट द डायरेक्ट क्लाइंट हायर मी फॉर द रीडूइंग ऑफ द हाउसेस.
रीडूइंग ऑफ द हाउसेस. यस, बिकॉज ये आम इंसान का प्रॉब्लम है जो इस फील्ड से बिलोंग नहीं करते.
करेक्ट.
शॉप में जाके, बड़े से स्टोर में जाके चीजें उठाना तो कोई भी कर सकता है, बट टू विजुअलाइज कि हमारे घर पे ये चीज कैसी लगेगी, क्या कलर थीम, पैलेट, हर चीज बहुत मैटर करती है, एंड दैट नीड्स
ऑफ कोर्स वो बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करती है क्योंकि जहाँ से आप चीज़ें ले रहे हो, जो स्टोर है आपके पास, उनका लाइट कंडीशन, उनका इंटीरियर, आपका इंटीरियर नहीं मैच करता है. इफ़ दे आर इनटू लाइक बहुत ही मॉडर्न इंटीरियर्स वाले उनके स्टोर है, दे हैव लाइक लॉट ऑफ लाइट बिकॉज उनको चीज़ें बेचनी है. आपके घर में उतना लाइट शायद नहीं है, आपके इंटीरियर्स उनके इंटीरियर्स मैच नहीं करते हैं, सो नॉट नेसेसरी जो वहाँ अच्छा लग रहा है वो आपके घर पे अच्छा लगेगा ही. सो आई हैव टू क्लटर एवरीथिंग. डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स को एक साथ रखना इज ऑल्सो अ टास्क फॉर मी,
और ये विजुअलाइज करना कि ये चीज़ इनके घर पे कैसी लगेगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम पार्लर में जाते हैं, बहुत अच्छा हेयर स्टाइलिंग करते हैं, तभी बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बट विल आई बी एबल टू मेंटेन दैट इन माई डेली लाइफ? दैट्स द टास्क. यस. सानिया, थैंक यू सो मच. आपकी वजह से हमें इस प्रोफेशन के बारे में पता चला, इतना डिटेल में आपने बताया. नेक्स्ट टाइम हम किसी भी जगह जाएंगे ना, आई एम श्योर अगर ये वीडियो हमने देखा है ना तो हम इस नज़रिए से ज़रूर देखेंगे कि यहाँ पे स्टाइलिस्ट थे या नहीं थे और किस तरह से उन्होंने काम किया?
It was absolutely a pleasure having a conversation with you, and it is also a point, a valid point I can put in front of people कि why you need a stylist and लोगों को पता चलेगा what we are doing exactly. So it was a very thoughtful conversation we had. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.